When most people imagine the UK, they think of London, wry humour and polite people. It might seem unthinkable that Great Britain has some real dung piles amongst its treasures, but these 5 places will have you wondering why there is even a great in front of Britain. Know before you go! At number 5, Sandwell. The available jobs in this West Midlands district are so poorly paid that the average resident has 0 disposable income. The good news for locals is that Sandwell has a pretty high mortality rate, so they don't have to suffer for very long. At number 4, Gwent Valleys. No matter which metric you choose to measure, Gwent Valleys scores poorly. Crime? Check. Poor healthcare? Check. A-hole teenagers all around? Oh yeah. In a country that's filled with coastline and rolling hills, Gwent Valleys has none of that. It's just the worst. At number 3, High Wycombe. Petty crime and drug use are present, as is the low employment rate. The little money High Wycombe does have, it spends on schools, which is great. Of course, that doesn't do the average tourist any good. At number 2, Southampton. Southampton is simply filled with half-destroyed buildings blotting the landscape. To be fair, the place was bombed in World War II. That is a pretty solid excuse, but on the other hand, they've had the better part of 80 years to get the place back in order. And at number 1, Morecambe. In the 1930s, luminaries like Coco Chanel used to hang out in Morecambe. These days, Morecambe is more known for its dilapidation. The coastline outside the city is stunning, but if you're being completely honest, coasts aren't exactly a point of pride, and neither is Morecambe. Where do you think the worst place in the UK is? Discuss below.